Hi and welcome back, guys. This is the cryptocurrency market, and today it's all about the NEO. The NEO, one of our favorite coins, definitely it actually entered into a downside correction phase, kind of on a short-term scale. But definitely you can see here the consecutive days we had here on the downside, and you know what? It's not surprising at all, because there's a very clear setup here right in front of you, the symmetric setup, and price is just dancing within the limits. Now, we were on the upside here. We took a phenomenal move here, right? From the levels of 82 all the way to 144. That was close to 100% profit, which was spectacular. And price, really nicely touched base with that 144.5, right, key level right there. And it's no surprise that at that point it went straight down. Now, even though it did close, yesterday below the 109.7 here, I'm really not concerned about that at all. That's probably gonna be just a noise on the daily chart, and we will only have here a little bit of a spike on the weekly chart as price will go back and start to rise up towards the upper part. It broke a little bit below the 109.7 on the daily chart, probably just to take the previous low, and I suspect that from this point on it will continue to move upwards. Now the NEO actually have lots of potential on the upside further than the 144.54 here. Once it builds up another upside leg, I think the most probability is that it will continue to drill higher and take the previous major high. Take a look at that. The level is 169.5. Sorry, that's not the previous major high. The previous major high was at 199, right? And that is where I lay my final destination. All right, 199. That's the potential. So right now, after we've been on the sideline, right, we sold all of our NEO when it hit the 144. We actually left a bit, but as price started to reverse, I knew that it's most likely to hit the other part, right, the lower part of the setup. So I sold basically all of my NEO holdings, and right now I'm going to start to build up my bullish position on the NEO again, right? I'm going to start to buy small, and as price bases off above the 109.7, that's when I'm going to kick in and seriously increase the holdings on the NEO. All right, that's the NEO versus the US dollar. Don't forget that. We're going to touch base with the NEO versus the BTC on the next one. See you then.